Baby, look at. Hold on. Come here.
Is it
You
good,
like
pal?
it?
Is it
You
good?
like it? You're
Yeah.
not sure yet? Come here.
I prefer a liquid diet too, buddy.
Come here. What do you think? What do you think? Is it good? Here we go. Here we go. Here's another bite. Here we go. What do you think? Do you like it? Here you go. Your first bite's from a spoon. Here you go. Is it delicious? You want more? Yeah.
Does it taste like watered down rice? That's not delicious. No.
Do you like it? Here you go. Is that delicious? Here you go. Yeah.
Huh? Wipe your mouth. Good job.
You want more? You have a fuzz on you. Charlotte,
Does that taste good too?
do you want more? Look at
Do you
baby.
like plastic? Do you want a better seat? You look like mommy in a booth.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is good stuff. Yeah. Now you're getting it. Are we making a mess? Good thing we only made a half a serving. This would take forever. Ew. What do you think? Is good? Yeah. Look at you! You're a good little eater.
Good job. Want to hit something?
More. Are you just the cutest little thing?
Is that too much, pal?
Are you blowing bubbles? Here it comes. Good job. Good job, baby. Here we go. Open up. Yeah. Good baby. Here it comes. Charlotte. Look it. You want more? No hands. Is that delicious? Oops. Oops. You're kind of slumped over there, little darling. Should we straighten you up?